Indego Farm in the eastern province of Rwanda. We're currently going through our greenhouse farming project, starting off with tomatoes and also going through the process of the global gap assessment. So here we're showing you our global gap assessor, Emmanuel from Agrimax, who is going through the process of training the staff on the farm on how to use the PPEs, the knapsack and the sprayers properly. So he's going to show them how to put on the clothing properly, how to put on the gloves, the boots, the mask, and how to apply the sprays properly. All this is in line with our Global Gap process of getting the Global Gap certification. So the aim is to make sure our staff are well trained, apply the PPEs or wear the PPEs properly, use the knapsack and the sprayers properly, and obviously that would help prevent injuries, chemical injuries, health and safety concerns, and making sure they stay healthy while handling chemicals and fertilizers. So hence the importance of having to wear the equipment and the clothing properly, as is shown by showing them how to wear them and demonstrating to them how to use the gloves, how to wear the gumboots, and then we'll also have the practical session with them on showing them how to use the knapsack and the sprays in the greenhouse itself. So initially the theory and the training is done outside the greenhouse, where Emmanuel from Agrimax, the Global Gap Assessor, puts them through the routine and the steps to take. And once they've got this down to an art, we will then proceed to the greenhouse for practical demonstration on how to apply the chemicals and the spraying and the fertilizers without sustaining any injuries. So that's Indego Farms, trying to do our farming, our commercial farming of greenhouse at Global Gap standards, making sure everything is done properly, all the proper systems and processes are in place to deliver first-class produce and first-class harvest for the public. So it's all about food security and providing safe foods for the public and also for export. So we've seen the proper wearing of the PPE clothing and how to put the knapsack on. And now we're in the greenhouse and going through the practical demonstration of, as you can now see, it done properly.